Hi guys, so welcome to Hey Rose vlog. It's another cooking channel. So I'm here doing tacos. So here I have the ground beef on. So this is A Rose Vibe with A Rose vlog, and this is A Rose. So let's add the seasoning in. So I have the season. So the meat is pre-cooked and I cooked it with some garlic. You know, and I put some oregano and parsley, some black pepper, some hot pepper with the garlic, and I season it up with some adobe seasoning, a little bit. And then now I'm adding the sauce. So I'm gonna let it cook with it. Add a little bit of more water. So I'm making taco. It's taco night. So I have my tomatoes. Lettuce. I have the sour cream. So I'm gonna shred some cheese. So here I have some cheese, black diamond medium cheddar. And I have my taco shells. So I have my taco shells, okay? So I have some taco shells. And I'm gonna be... Oh, this is good. Just gonna shred some cheese. So I start pre-cooking the meat before I start doing the video because I know it's gonna take some time. So I didn't want the video to be that long. So I start doing, and then I put the red peppers in on the meat. So I put the red peppers on the meat with the onions. That's the way I like the peppers. So I'm just shredding the cheese here. if I need more cheese in this. This look like that's enough cheese. So let's take a look. I left a piece of the cheese here. I'm thinking I have enough if I need more for tomorrow, because I will have leftovers for tomorrow. So let's take a look. Don't want to get burnt. Nice and colorful. Taco night tonight. And this is just a simple cooking vlog. Yeah. And that will be ready shortly. And I have only the hard shells. I don't have the soft shell, but I'm pretty sure if that one finish, I'll have more meat left over. I can grab some soft shells at the store. Because that's 10 in the pack and I'm gonna eat 3. My mom's gonna eat 3. And CD's gonna be eating 3 or 4. So yeah. So that's what of today. So bring that forward. Let's check it. I'm trying not to put the phone too close to it, because it comes up sometimes at the phone screen. Ooh, this is smelling so nice. Wow. Don't you guys love a nice taco? I wish I have some avocado. It will taste good to add it. dead in there. And you can use this and make some nice chili too, or my plate ready. I don't have any cilantros, okay? And I don't like to use raw onions. I just put it in unless it's on burger and stuff. It's not all the time I like the raw onions like that, so I didn't make some. I do have red onion, but I don't feel for it right now, so I won't be adding that. I'm just preparing my shells. We have 4 left for Mr. D. So I place them in the bowl. Okay, just wait in. Ain't gonna get any more burns, so I think I have some black bean and corn. I can even make that burrito bowl too, you know. What do you call that bowl? To make that bowl with some rice, black bean, corn, and all this too, you know. Just want to dry out a little bit more. I'm starving. Guys, please to remember to subscribe, like, and share. When you're passing on, just press the subscribe button. Just hit the subscription button, guys, please. Yes, so show some love. Ah, it's ready. Ooh, this is looking so nice. That's it. Let's add my, we're gonna add my lettuce. Oh, cheese. Why is it not coming off? I'm holding the phone, guys, because I didn't want to go for the tripod. Gonna add some sour cream and spread it across. You just fall down. Guys, I'm trying to make it very presentable and it's falling. So there it is, guys. So that's my taco. And I'm gonna have that with a glass of lemonade. So here we have, and I'm going to be digging into this right now. This is tasting so lovely. And because I put some hot pepper on it, tastes really good. Well, thanks you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. All right, have a good day. Bye.